Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove tag and mentions from TikTok videos. And here I've already on the TikTok apps. If you want to remove tag and mention, you can just go to your profile first and then go to the settings and privacy. Click on the three lines icon at the top. Tap on the settings and privacy and then just scroll down until you find the click on the privacy and scroll down until you find the mentions, this one. So just click on the mention options in here, and in here you can see that the current setting is allow mention from everyone. So if you want to remove it, you can just click on this and change the settings into no one, so no one can mention or tag you on TikTok. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.